What if you could make money while you sleep? Not a scam, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Just a simple system that millions of people are already using, and most beginners have no idea it even exists. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to break down 5 passive income streams that actually work in 2026, even if you are starting with zero experience and zero money. Stay until the end because number 3 is the one most people overlook, and it is probably the easiest one to start today. The first passive income stream is YouTube automation, which is exactly what this channel is built on. You create faceless videos using AI tools, post them, and earn money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Once a video is uploaded, it keeps earning money for months or even years without you touching it. Channels in the finance and education space earn between $15 and $50 for every 1,000 views. A channel with just 100,000 views a month can earn $1,500 to $5,000 passively. The best part is, you do not need to show your face, use your voice, or be a video expert. AI handles all of it. The second stream is dividend investing. This is where you buy shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits every single quarter, just for holding the stock. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and hundreds of others have been paying dividends for decades without stopping. You do not need a lot of money to start. Some brokers let you buy fractional shares for as little as $1. The key is consistency. The more you invest over time, the bigger your quarterly payouts grow. This is truly set it and forget it income once you build the habit. Now here is the one most people sleep on: digital products. A digital product is anything you create once and sell unlimited times. This could be a PDF guide, a Notion template, a Canva design pack, or an online course. Here is why this is so powerful. You create it one time. You upload it to a platform like Gumroad or Etsy, and every time someone buys it, money hits your account automatically, whether you are awake, asleep, or on vacation. People are selling simple one-page budget templates for $5 to $15 each, and making $3,000 a month from them. That is not theory, that is happening right now. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend a product or service and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. You do not create the product. You do not handle customer service. You just share a link and earn a percentage of every sale. Amazon's affiliate program, for example, is free to join and covers millions of products. Finance YouTubers often earn thousands per month just by recommending the tools and apps they already use. The secret is to only recommend things that genuinely help your audience. Trust builds faster than any algorithm. The 5th passive income stream is the simplest one on this list, and it requires almost zero effort: a high-yield savings account. While a regular bank savings account gives you 0.01% interest per year, high-yield savings accounts are currently offering between 4% and 5% annual returns. That means if you put $10,000 in a high-yield savings account, you earn $400 to $500 every year, doing absolutely nothing. No risk, no effort, no skill required. It is not going to make you rich overnight, but it is free money on money you already have sitting around. So there you have it. 5 passive income streams that actually work in 2026. YouTube automation, dividend stocks, digital products, affiliate marketing, and high-yield savings accounts. You do not need to do all 5. Pick one. Start there. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting until everything is perfect before they start. If this video helped you, subscribe, because every week I break down exactly how to build real income with simple steps anyone can follow. See you in the next one.